In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Workspace trial subscription. If you started a trial and decided it's not the right fit, canceling now prevents it from converting into a paid plan. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you don't miss anything important. First, open your browser and go to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Sign in with an administrator account that has permission to manage billing. If you can't sign in or you don't see the options I'm showing, you may need super admin access or to check with whoever manages your organization's Google services. Once you're on the Admin Console homepage, look at the left-hand menu and select Billing. This is where Google centralizes purchases, trials, and payment settings. Inside Billing, choose Subscriptions. You'll see a list of any active plans tied to your account. Find the trial for Google Workspace Business Standard and click the subscription name to open its details page. Double check that you're selecting the trial subscription you intend to cancel, especially if your organization has multiple plans. On the subscription details page, look for the More menu, often shown as 3 vertical dots. Click More to reveal additional actions, then choose Cancel Subscription. Google will display a confirmation flow. Read the messages carefully. They typically explain what access will change, any grace period, and what happens to user data. During a trial, canceling stops it from rolling into a paid subscription. You may be asked to pick a reason for canceling. Select whichever option best matches your situation and proceed. Before you confirm, consider whether you need to export emails, drive files, or admin reports. If your organization created user accounts during the trial, make sure team members save anything important. If you manage through a reseller, you might need to contact them to complete the cancellation. And if the cancel option is missing or grayed out, verify that you're in the correct admin role, that you're looking at the trial subscription, and that there aren't any pending billing issues. After you confirm cancellation, you should see an on-screen confirmation, and Google typically sends an email to the admin contact. Keep that message for your records. If you change your mind shortly after canceling, return to billing and check whether you can restore the subscription before data is fully removed. That's it. You went to the Admin Console, opened billing, selected subscriptions, chose your Google Workspace Business Standard trial, clicked More, and canceled the subscription. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double check that any important data has been backed up before you close the Admin Console.